It is time for idea people to not wait on technical co-founders anymore. What do I mean by that? I had a great call yesterday with one of the founders. She had a great idea, but what stopped her from progressing with that idea was a search for a technical co-founder. I asked her one question. Do you know the number one reason why startups fail? It's not funding, it's not lack of product market fit. The number one reason turns out it's disagreements with your co-founders. It happens all the time. So here's a rubric. When you're starting a company, if you don't have a co-founder, then it's a great sign that maybe you don't need one. If you're a founder, looking for a technical co-founder as a primary reason for why you cannot build an MVP. Here's what I'd say. Number one, use your favorite LLM, ChatGPT, Claude, doesn't matter. Ask it to write you a PRD, a product requirements document, given all of your ideas, and give it a prompt that says, hey, you know what? Ask me all the questions you need to write a solid PRD, and only then will it have a full functioning version of what you need. Essentially, you become a product manager with the PRD writing process. Once you have the PRD written, take it and give it to the code writing tools. Replit, if you want a simple way of actually visualizing the entire project, and it also can help you with deployment as well. You can see it running. Or if you're slightly more concerned about the backend pieces of it, use Cursor. So go to Cursor, give it the PRD to read and start to write you an application. Believe it or not, you will be 80 to 90% ahead of where you were. Instead of waiting for a co-founder, you will already have a working prototype. And that's when you can actually go and validate the idea, get your co-founder search to happen afterwards. Because guess what? What co-founders are looking for, especially technical ones, they're smart too. They want to know if you can sell. The whole point here is if you're an idea person, your responsibility is not just finding a technical co-founder and then blaming it on the code. Your responsibility is to go find the customers, make sure that there's a gap in the market that your product is going to help fit. And that is what you need to do. Take your part of the responsibility seriously. At the same time, don't worry so much about not having a technical co-founder, because you don't need a technical co-founder at this stage of the game. At least that's what I believe. And I wish you guys all the best of luck.